1. Acerola West Indian cherry. 20 cherries have about 80 calories. Cherries are a source of fiber, vitamin C, sodium-free, fat-free and potassium. Sweet cherries are rich in antioxidants, but sour cherries, on average, have 5 times the concentration. 1 serving equals 5g1 fruit, 134% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium-free 1 mg per serving. Fat-free 0.01 g per serving. 2. Apple. A medium apple contains 90 calories and is a good source of fiber with 1/3 of the fiber found in the skin. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps to lower blood cholesterol levels. 1 serving equals 140 g1 medium. Source of vitamin C 6% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber 3 g per serving. Sodium-free 1 mg per serving. 3. Apricots. Apricots are a source of beta-carotene and fiber. Dried apricots are a more concentrated source of nutrients. They provide good to excellent sources of beta-carotene, niacin, vitamin E, iron and potassium based on 100 g serving. 1 serving equals 105 g3 small. Source of vitamin C 18% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium 272 mg per serving. Source of fiber 2 g per serving. Sodium-free 1 mg per serving. Fat-free 0.4 g per serving. 4. Avocado. A serving of 1/5 of a medium Hass avocado has 50 calories and 4.5 g of fat. The good news is that most of the fat is monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat, which are both healthy fats. Avocados provide a source of fiber and folate. 1 serving equals 130 g 1/5 fruit. 5. Banana. A medium banana contains 118 calories, has trace amount of fat and almost no sodium. Bananas are high in potassium and vitamin B6 and are a source of fiber and vitamin C. A diet rich in potassium is important to help control your blood pressure. 1 serving equals 140 g1 large. High in potassium 500 mg per serving. Source of vitamin C 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber 3 g per serving. Sodium-free 0 mg per serving. Fat-free 0 g per serving. 6. Blackcurrant. Blackcurrants are an excellent source of vitamin C and contain fiber and iron. They are also high in pectin, which can help to lower blood cholesterol and help to prevent constipation. 1 serving equals 59 g 125 ml. Very high in vitamin C 179% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium-free 1 mg per serving. Fat-free 0.2 g per serving. 7. Blueberries. A half cup of blueberry has 44 calories. Blueberries are a source of fiber and vitamin C. 1 serving equals 80 g. A half cup. Source of vitamin C 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber 2 g per serving. Fat-free 0 g per serving. 8. Breadfruit. 1 serving equals 96 g 1/4 fruit. High in vitamin C 46% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B1 8% recommended daily intake per serving. High in fiber 5 g per serving. Sodium-free 2 mg per serving. Fat-free 0.2 g per serving.